I hope you're doing good. Right, so I want to go over your Canvas course shell with you in few minutes. So if we're looking on here at the home page, you're going to see the first module is going to contain some information concerning your course structure and how to access the lab manual. Lab manual is required for you to complete the lessons. If you notice on here, we have 4 main modules under which you're going to have different lessons. So practical 1, lesson 1, practical 1, lesson 2. Under the second module, you have practical 2 or unit 2, lesson 1, and then lesson 2. So also under each of those modules, you're going to have the important videos here illustrating the various exercises that you're going to need to be completing in those lessons. We do have 4 practicals, and each of those 4 practicals is going to be worth 50 points towards your final grade. Your final grade is going to be out of 200 points. The other assignments that you do have, they are going to be considered as and graded for extra credit points. So the main structure, the main structure of your course grade is going to be determined by your score in those 4 practicals, which are going to be conducted through honor lock. In the second module here, it's going to be showing you how to navigate honor lock, how to follow the instructions, how would you be able to take a proctored exam, what are the requirements, and so on. You're gonna see on here also honor lock practice quiz, and this is for you to get yourself familiar with how to complete a proctored exam through honor lock. It's not worth any points. Your exam is going to be diagram based, and the main source of those diagrams is going to be the images for the various practicals. Under each of the 4 main modules, you have images for the various practicals. So here, for example, are the images for practical 1. And please make sure to know the correct spelling of the various markings and information that you might be tested on related to those diagrams. Few diagrams might not be on this file, but I highly recommend you to complete here those lessons. And as you complete the lessons, you're going to encounter other diagrams that you want to review through your lab manual. But the main bulk of the diagrams that you will encounter on the exam are on here. Images for the practicals, those are the need to know sheets. So you have one on here for practical 1, you have another one for practical 2, and so forth. Images for practical 2. Again, this is gonna be the main bulk of diagrams that you will encounter on your practical test. Some other diagrams might be stated in your lessons when you are opening the lessons on here for the practical. You just need to follow the instructions. It's a self-paced course. You need just to read through the material and follow the instructions and complete the exercises for this information to make sense for you. Also posted under those modules, you're going to have the video recordings showing different exercises that have been discussed or stated in your practical lessons. So you have access to those videos on here, again under practical 1 module. Please type your name in a reply to this announcement for me to be able to take your attendance for verification with financial aid. Also, please post any questions that you have related to the course structure, or if there is anything that needs further clarification. All right, so please write down your question in a reply to the announcement that I'm posting here. Thank you.